In this lesson, we will understand what are filters in Tableau. With that, we will also understand its purpose as well as its types. We will also implement filters. So let us start. Consider filters as a crucial component in Tableau, allowing you to narrow down your data to specific subsets, making it easier to analyze and visualize. So you can select specific data points, or if you want to include or exclude a dimension or a measure from a view, you can do it with filter. Easily narrow down or consider refining your data with filters. By applying filters, highlight the key insights from the data. With that, you can also focus on trends, reduce the complexity of data. With filters, you can explore different scenarios by creating interactive dashboards. Now let us see the types of filters. So the top three types of filters are dimensions, measures and dates filter. Dimensions filter, you can easily understand that it is based on the categorical values. With that, measures are based on numerical values like your sales and profit. And the dates will filter specific periods. With that, some more types of filters are also there. That means quick filters, context filters, conditional, top as well as wildcard filters. So in the next lesson, we'll be focusing on the first type, that is filter dimensions. Then one by one, we'll be covering all the types of filters with examples. So let us start with filter dimensions in Tableau.